So why is this important? Well, because we are offering lifetime subscription access with no limits to this very thing. So, and you can create any WordPress website like you already have. You can just transfer it over. All this stuff is just like really leverageable. Like you can leverage the amount of stuff you can do with this is just incredible. Now, if you take a look here at their pricing, this is no game right here. This is like they're charging $45 per month, and that's billed yearly. So if we want to break it down, like let's see what that is. Oh, they won't even show me. Let's do 8. We just got to do 45 times 12. Okay, Google. 45 times 12. Okay, $540. So you see, this is like a lot of money per month. And what we're offering here is that very thing, where you only have to pay once and you get lifetime access. Okay, and what it comes down to is this is full-fledged what anyone needs to turn around and create a sustainable type of income that is passive if you know what you're doing. So this is essentially the great review for WordPress, the top of them all. So remember, the majority of your websites that you see online are built on WordPress. So we give it to you all, no limitations, no other extra fees, none of that. We're over here trying to help people actually grow. So, and we know that right now is a hard time. So we're out here trying to change some lives. So let's get it. Let's go. I hope to see you at the top or from the top, either or. Just let's get up there and let's get you up there. Let's get your website going. Let's get you your emails, because that's all included. Everything, all this that they offer, all this stuff, all included. You got blogs, you got unlimited websites, you got unlimited e-commerce and products that you can add. It's crazy. So let's get it. Let's go, y'all. This is the change up. This is the challenge that I challenge you to give me a shot. Give me your go. It's only it's it's almost less. Well, actually, it is less than what they charge for 1 month. Okay, so I could charge more, but I'm not out here trying to make money. I'm out here trying to change lives and create success. I know that money comes and goes, but success stays forever. Okay, if people keep on maintaining it, success will be with you forever, and it will stick with you. And it's just a life-changing experience when I can give somebody something that they never thought they would ever have. So let's go, y'all. Lifetime access. Let's get it.